Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to run turboprep model in Rapidminer. So turboprep is designed to make data preparation easier. It provides a user interface where data is always visible in front and center, where changes can be made step by step and we can instantly see the results. It consists of a wide range of supporting functions to prepare data for model building. Now, how we can do this in Rapidminer? Let's see. So you'll have to go in the process canvas. You'll have to press turbo prep. I'll remove, first of all, I'll remove this data and we'll start fresh. So I'll load the data from here. So it gives me the range of options, loading the data, importing the data. So I'll activate the data, which is already available with me in the data. Load the data. The data has been loaded. Now I can click here on transform functions and I can change the things which I want. So if I want transform, so range, do I want to change the range or sample? That I can do. So that is for transformation. Now I can again come on cleanse and I can activate the auto cleansing menu, remove the low quality based on these parameters or removing the correlated attributes. This is basically data cleansing. Now I can again come on generate where I can generate the new attribute based on existing attribute. For example, if I want to generate the log of age, then I'll write down here log of age and I'll specify the formula here. So this formula I have to drag it from here and drop it. So the new variable which I am specifying is log age and I will go in mathematical function and I'll simply drag it and drop it the mathematical function here. Now I'll pick up the variable from here and I'll drop it here. Now I'll simply press update preview and I will get the new attribute which is here. So this is a way you can generate the new attribute. Now, if you don't want this attribute after running the formula, you should not commit it. But once you commit it, this will be the new attribute which will be added. So I am not committing and I will clear all and all the changes will be discarded. And if I press cancel, I'll come on the main menu again. I can click on individual column also and right click to do the transformations and cleansing directly from here. That is also possible. Now I will go in pivoting. So it is just drag and drop age. Sorry, I'll remove the age. I'll consider categorical variable gender and I'll consider the churn here. Now I want to see on the basis of gender what is how much churn has taken place in case of last transactions. Churn into sense, uh, I want to say here that suppose I drop last transaction. So based on this, say for example, male churn, the average last transaction was this much. Female churn, the average transaction was this much. Loyal male, the average transaction was this much, and female loyal, the average transaction was this much. So all these things are available from here. I can see the charts also. You can see the charts are available. I can see the charts this way. I can again go in data set. Now I can add one more interval variable also. I'll just drop it and age. So it gives me the age. If you want to include this in your data set, you can commit the pivot. If you don't want to include, clear the table and you will again come on the main menu. Now cancel it. You can merge two data sets if you want. From here, you can directly go to the model building. From here, you can generate charts also directly. So I'll again go in turbo prep, press cancel if you don't want to generate it. You can create the process. So we'll go in the process menu, and uh, whatever transformations or whatever cleansing which we have done on our data, it will remain here in the history. And you can clean the data from here. You can export, you can rename, you can copy, and you can remove the data set also from here. So this is a way you can build the model using TurboPrep in Rapidminer. So again, you can start from here. So for more videos on Rapidminer, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos of Rapidminer.